Hello, everybody. Back to the part 2 of the
Finding subscribers.
No.
Yeah, we only got 3.
Yeah.
And it's from here only.
Yeah.
She always was the one.
I subscribe with all my Gmails and stuff.
They're so crazy.
Okay, we're doing the
Dorothy.
eyeball challenge again. Finding the eyeball in here. Okay,
Yeah.
3. Oh, look what
Wait,
I
where's my...
did.
I had to...
3, 2, 1, go.
Found it.
Stop! You cheated.
No, I didn't.
We're doing it again, and we were on 6 rounds. 3.
No. We start over all. We do it 6 times.
Fine.
If
3.
we do tie, we have to find out.
Wait.
Three, two.
No. Squish it. Don't look.
I know.
Look at me. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, found it.
Did you cheat? You cheat. You cheated.
Fine, I did.
Okay, hi people. You can't see any. That's a jiggly little worm.
Okay, 3,
Digga,
2,
digga, digga,
1, go. Ooh, found it.
I wasn't even ready that time.
1,
Wait,
2,
I
0.
haven't found it for a long time.
It's right there.
Where?
It was in here, right here.
How do you know that?
3. Okay, put it in.
I'm gonna
Wait,
squish.
shit.
Look.
Look at me. Don't look at it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Found it.
Wait, you have to wait for me to find it.
I found it. So first
1
round
to
goes to
1.
me.
No, 1 to 1.
No. That time you cheated. Plus, I wasn't ready that time.
No, there's another time that I found it first.
Okay, fine. It's 1 to 1. No, it's not. It's 1 to 0.
No, it's 1 to 1.
No.
Guys, it's 1 to 1. See the video? Check it out. Okay. Oh, found it. Put it in. Squish it. Look at me. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, it's right here. Found it. I did not cheat. I really did not cheat. I did not cheat. I just felt it, and it was right here.
Fine. 1 to 2.
2. Yeah, YOLO's in my.
What the heck?
Wait, wanna join our club?
No.
Can Governor's Girls Club?
No.
Girls Club.
Oh, by the way, if you live in Chapel Hill and
Ooh, comment it down below.
yeah, just we live somewhere
Yeah, I'll
in
tell
a
them.
neighborhood called somewhere.
Camden Governor's Village.
Candy Governor's Visit.
In my house at 200 Curry. In her house is at the
Millie.
big building.
Big building with a big bubble on top.
Yeah, and she lives on 30.
Okay, we have to do
315. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, by the way,
Ooh, is this it?
okay, I have to start. Let's start over. Okay, ready?
Ready, steady, go. Found it.
Found it.
That's first. 3 to 0. 3 to 1.
No, 3 to 1.
3, 2, 1. Stop looking.
I have to look.
Three.
No, we're still doing this one. We already did it. Found it.
Okay, put it in.
2 to 3.
No. No,
I'm 2,
it's...
she's 3.
No.
She can't. You can't.
You're 1-3.
Whoever you're watching this, you cannot see her, so move it out. No, stop. No.
I one time punched someone in the face.
No.
I one time just punched someone in the face. I hate you. I'm really like... do it. I don't
You
care.
can take this, by the way. I have to wash my hands. These are so glittery.
No, after, because it's
No.
going to get glittery. So yeah, I won, guys. The whole challenge is over.
Yeah, she won the whole challenge.
Oh, this feels awesome. This is fluffy slime. This is normal slime. Yeah. Ooh! Eses! Let's do this.